Hi everyone, before I get started again in the cottage, there's an area that needs my attention. It's not raining, so I better get started. Yes, it's this area here. I did start to move all the terracotta when I was grading them. We got them over in the barn, but it poured down. Abandoned mission, but the sun's out today, so I need to get this sorted out. Trip to the tip, make this area look a lot better. Alright, put that back. Pulling some leeks up.
Yep.
That's well in, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want a hand with that?
Yes, please.
I might be relocating those bins, compost bins.
All right.
Yeah, I'm tidying this area up and do something with it.
Yeah.
We're just cleaning the ends off.
Yeah. And this one that I've half pulled up, please.
Blimey, they got some root on them.
Yeah.
Wow, they normally have that much root. Not so bad, that one. I think eventually it'd be good to have another raised bed this side. Over here.
Yeah.
We could do with a few more raised beds, couldn't we?
We could, yeah.
Make use of this area.
Straight in the compost bin.
Yeah.
No messing about.
I can see why you cut my hair so good now. Yeah, nice and full. I'm stacking these here because in the future they'll go down as the base for the workshop in the barn just here. This one will be for vehicles, the caravan and my other car. So I don't really want to put them down there because unless it's laid on concrete they'll just crack. So yeah, I'm going to put those to good use as well. These come out of Billy's convent. That was in a utility room. Got quite a few square metres of this. I've used it inside my greenhouse. Very hard wearing, easy to clean. So we'll be upcycling those one day. Not today though. Yes, we're certainly all making the most of the sun while it shines. Also a trip to the tip today. All has to be graded though. Wood to one side, metal, you know, they all recycle it. And I do get through some tripods as well. They don't last very long. And it goes for buckets as well. They don't last very long. Mr. Robin's back. It's never normally far away. Bramble and ivy. Yippee! Turn your back and they creep up on you. Time for different gloves. There he is on the white bucket. Apparently the male and the female look exactly the same. Well, pretty much so. Yeah, it's come down for the worms and the bugs. I suppose that's why they follow you around the garden. Always a joy to see. I mean, I love seeing all the birds out here, but it's just something special about a robin, I think. Oh, there he goes. Sometimes you have to be careful when you lift stuff like this up in case there's any creatures beneath, slow worms or anything. Right. Yep, it's harbouring quite a lot of snails. All dining on the greenhouse later on in the year. So if you look at this stone, it's quite large. Must go nearly half a tonne. Now this originally was in the pig barn, and it's got this big oval section cut out of it, and it had these metal brackets with maybe a flap or something on it, and I can't understand what it was used for, whether it was changed from its original purpose. Didn't really make much sense when I come to redoing the roof on the pig barn. It was just kind of in the wall as, you know, a piece of the wall. Now I got it lifted out with a machine. I didn't do this one by hand, but yeah, what a big piece that is. Like anyone that's got small holding or an overgrown garden will soon tell you, it soon comes back. Hopefully Santa Claus will bring me a strimmer and some more garden equipment this year. I seem to be getting through quite a lot of it. Hopefully in the coming year I can be in a position to maybe have a gardener a couple of times a month, keep on top of some of the overgrown areas. That'd be a big help. Trouble is, good gardeners are always busy. It's important to leave some wild areas. You know, I've more than done that for the wildlife. You know, they need somewhere to shelter through the winter. It's just the brambles, really, that's the issue. Brambles and ivy. I'm going to have to make a separate trip with all the greenery and all the weeds. So what do you make of that? It's a sizable stone. Looks like a pipe would have gone through there with maybe, I don't know, a little flap. Not quite sure. Was it something to do with a fire? Was it a bread oven in there? Don't think so, because there's one probably 50 metres just to the left of the piggery. So maybe it's been upcycled from another building. Now I am keen to see what's in this blue crate. Sam said carrots. She said they're only tiny, so they're not hardly worth picking now, harvesting. But I want this blue container. That wouldn't even feed a rabbit, would it? No, we might be lucky yet. Yeah, what's up, duck? Certainly not carrots for dinner tonight. Yep, I think I will leave them out for the rabbits. Well, I'm pretty pleased with that. Doesn't look like I've got enough time to start anything in the cottage today. Got to go to the tip yet and empty the trailer. So I'll see you in the cottage tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. That was hard work.